大家好, this is 小狗 Chinese. In this video, I'll show you how to look up new characters that you don't know the pronunciation of. We need to get an app called Pleco, P-L-E-C-O. It is a digital dictionary that shows you the pinyin, meaning, how to use the word in sentences, even stroke order. Pleco allows you to type both English and Chinese via keyboard and handwriting. Use pinyin keyboard when you know the pronunciation of the character, and use handwriting when you do not know the pronunciation. For example, in this sentence, you might read 我太 something 了. To look up the red part, tap on the little brush button and start copying by handwriting the character. Don't worry about the stroke order. The app can still recognize even if the order is off. Once you're done copying, choose the targeted character. In this way, we learned the pinyin is 傻, meaning foolish or silly. 我太傻了, I'm so foolish. 你学会了吗？